Hello, this is Dee with Arizona Home Watch, and I would like to show you some owl cough pellets I found today. I have a customer who has a really nice courtyard with a fountain in it out in Carefree, and she's had a great horned owl hanging out in that courtyard and leaving these cough pellets. They're also known as castings. You hear that term in falconry. People that keep birds of prey call it a casting. But basically what it is the animal, the bird of prey, in this case a great horned owl, eats their prey and they can't digest the bones and fur and feathers, teeth, beaks, that kind of stuff. So after about a day they regurgitate this cough pellet, and you can find these where they're usually underneath where they're roosting. And this one especially, you can really see the bones of a small animal sticking out of it. Get a little darker background, you can really see the bones sticking out of it. And sometimes people, after these have been disinfected, you want to put them in a microwave for a little while to kill all the germs. Pull these apart and actually find the skull and identify what animal the owl or other bird of prey has eaten. There might be even two skeletons in one cough pellet, which I'm thinking maybe this one is rather large and compact, might have more than one thing in it, more than one little animal that the owl ate. So just wanted to share. I think this stuff is pretty cool, and I've seen other videos on YouTube that show these things, and I think it's pretty interesting stuff. So if you like this video, please share it and let other people know about it. And you can check out some of my desert animal pictures, wildlife and cactus and desert landscape on my website. It's AZ Home Watch. Actually, it's ArizonaHomewatchLLC.com. And then I have Facebook, that's AZ Home Watch, and Twitter. You can find me on Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, Periscope. So check it out. Thanks.